Activity 2. Complete the table below for the relation y equals x squared plus 2x minus 8. I'm going to substitute this x with the numbers for x given. So I will start with 3. Bracket 3 close bracket squared plus 2 bracket, put my 3 close the bracket minus 8 equals 7. So it's a confirmation that I know how to get the answer which is given. I'll then move this to the 3, take that off and replace it by 2. So I'm now substituting 2. Take that off, put 2, enter. That gives me 0. So here should be 0. And then go back. I want to substitute 1. I take that back to this. Take out the 1, the 2, replace it by 1. Take out these 2, replace it by 1 equals, gives me minus 5. So I'll put minus 5 here. I try 0. If you put in 0, I'm going to get brackets 0 close bracket squared, add to bracket 0 close bracket minus 8. I should expect minus 8 because these 2 will tend to 0 equals minus 8, which is correct. I'll move my cursor back, take out the 0, replace it by minus 1. In this case, this is the minus 1. The minus, this means negative. So negative 1, take out the 0, replace it by negative 1 equals, that gives me minus 9. This is done for you, so there's no point doing it. Go back, delete the minus 1 and put minus 3. Go over there, delete the minus 1 and put minus 3 equals, that gives me minus 5. Again, similar thing, I go back, take off the minus 3, make it minus 4. Take out the minus 3 and make it minus 4. That gives me 0. And finally, I should be expecting 5 because I'm beginning to notice the symmetry happening. Minus 8, minus 8, minus 5, minus 5, 0, 0. So probably, or I'm expecting that one to be 7. But give it a go. So I'll go over there, take the 4, make it minus 5, and change that to minus 5 equals, and it's 7, right? Now I've completed my table. I can go on to the next stage. It says draw a graph for the quadratic y equals x squared plus 2x minus 8, which is the table I've got over here. I tend to recommend that we do from the right to the left because it's easier. With most students, it's easy to work from positive numbers. So I have 3, 7. I'm going to plot 3, 7 on my graph. So I look for 3 at the x-axis and 7 for the y-axis. That is this point indicated. 2, 0. 2, 0 is here. 1 minus 5. I got 1 minus 5 is there. 0 minus 8. 0 minus 8 is there. Minus 1 minus 9. Minus 1 minus 9 is here. Minus 2 minus 8. Minus 2 minus 8 indicated here. Minus 3 minus 5. Minus 3 minus 5. Minus 3 minus 5 is there. And minus 4, 0 is over here. Minus 5, 7 is my last point. So I'll check and see whether it looks right, which is the case. So no point is an outlier in this situation. So what I then need to do is to join the points with a curve to get the expected graph. Let's put it away. Careful. that way. The longer the pen is, the better. You could either continue that way or you start from the other end. So I would prefer starting from here. Smooth curve. Done. This is my curve y equals x squared plus 2x minus 8.